So, good day sir, my name is Jesus K. Matthew from BSID2A. So, ngayon is gagawa tayo ng simple logging system. So, ito yung code ko. So, rerun muna natin. So, yan. So, yan yung design ko, which is yung League of Legends. So, yung League of Legends is sikat siya na game. So, try natin mag-register. So, example is maglagay tayo ni admin. Tapos, yung password is 123. So, yung confirm password natin niya is 123. So, maglalagay tayo ng address which is so, maglalagay tayo ng like Talkwing. Tapos yung country natin is Philippines. So, yung sa birthday naman, optional yan kung ano lalagay mong birthday mo. So, yan. Then, click sa register. So, na-register na yung na-register na yung account na kailangan. Tapos, so, mag-login tayo ulit. So, admin. Wala. Ulitin natin yung ano. Tapos yung address is Talkwing. So, re-register na natin. Tapos, admin. Tapos, yung password is 123. So, pagka na-login na, is lilitaw yung welcome admin. Tapos, yung address, tapos yung country. Tapos, yung birthday na nilagay mo. So, pagka clinic mo yung logout, lilitaw yan yung confirmation kung magla-logout ka na talaga. Tapos, yes. Yan, yun lang.